Welcome to the frame. Today, we go inside one of the largest aircraft factories in the world.
Step inside and witness the incredible scale of aircraft production. Here, the fuselage begins to take shape, panel by panel. Every rivet and weld ensures structural strength.
Robotic arms assist in precision welding. Hydraulic lifts hold massive sections while workers align them.
Next, wings are installed with meticulous precision. Engineers ensure every connection is exact.
Automation enhances precision and speed.
Engines are the heart of the aircraft, carefully assembled. Engines are staged and ready for mounting. Advanced avionics are carefully installed.
Each system is tested to guarantee flight safety.
Landing gear is installed with extreme care. Cargo systems are fitted for heavy loads.
Hydraulics are tested before assembly is complete. Every dimension is checked meticulously.
Engine integrity is verified by experienced technicians.
Avionics are tested to ensure flawless operation.
Wing attachments are double-checked for safety. The assembly line showcases the scale and coordination of production.
Automation complements human skill. Final inspections ensure readiness for flight. The largest cargo planes are ready for their first journey. Commercial giants emerge from the factory floor, fully assembled. Logistics play a key role in seamless production.
The scale of production is breathtaking from above. Every worker contributes to the final masterpiece. Hydraulics are tested rigorously before delivery.
Engines are mounted, tested, and ready to power the skies. The factory floor hums with coordination and precision.
Final inspections confer that every aircraft meets strict standards.
From raw materials to aviation giants, this is how the world's largest aircraft are built, inside the heart of American industry.
All readings are nominal. The landing gear sequence check is complete.
Excellent. The final report is uploading now.